ये जो कैट के पहले के 15-20 दिन होते हैं, इसमें आप या तो अपना परसेंटाइल बना सकते हैं या बिगाड़ सकते हैं। अगर आप बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस भी दे रहे हैं अभी तक मॉक में, यू कैन एक्चुअली लूज योर गेम इन दिस लास्ट 15-20 डेज इफ यू आर नॉट एग्जीक्यूटिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली, विच इज द थीम ऑफ दिस वीडियो ऑफ माई 15 days to cat वीडियो। इसमें ऑब्वियसली आई विल नॉट बी शेयरिंग विद यू कि हाउ कैन यू स्टार्ट योर प्रेप इन 15 days, एंड आई सॉ दिस वीडियो बाय अ वेरी रिस्पेक्टेड एजुकेटर सेइंग कि क्या कर सकते हैं 15 दिन में कैट, नहीं कर सकते मेरे ख्याल से, इम्पॉसिबल है करना वो। बट लेट मी बी ऑनेस्ट अबाउट यू कि भाई व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर सम ऑफ द थिंग्स व्हिच आई वुड एडवाइस यू और वुड आई वुड डू और आई हैव डन फॉर मी टू एंश्योर दैट आई एम एग्जीक्यूटिंग कॉन्फिडेंटली, दैट माय गेम प्लान इज वेरी straightforward and streamlined, because you can make or break your percentile in this, and I don't want you to break it. If you don't know me yet, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Kai Launcher. I'm the founder of Creative, and I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. The point is very simple. If you're doing really well in CAT, already number आ रहे हैं, mock scores आ रहे हैं, you might even want to skip this video. I don't want you to waste your time just for the sake of my views. Makes no sense to me. So please don't watch this video. Don't waste your time if you're doing very well in CAT. However, if you're not doing well in CAT, if you're feeling less confident, underconfident, if you're feeling scared, anxious, watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video you will feel much better about your prep, because it's actually about consolidation. Now without further ado, let me take you through what exactly you have to do. Firstly, there's this big word which you're seeing in front of you, which is it's okay. What is okay? What is okay? Bhai sir, एक बात बताओ, मेरे mocks में scores are low. How are you saying it's okay? I'm telling you it's okay. I'll tell you why it's okay. Even if your syllabus is not done, your course is not completed, it's okay. मैं शायद again मैं ये कहने की हिमाकत कभी करता नहीं, had this not been CAT, had this been a JEE, a NEET, a UPSC, all those kind of exams wherein you really need to learn so much more, I would not have dared to say that it's okay. But because it's CAT and it's a very different kind of an exam where it's more about how you execute than how much you know, because what you need to know about CAT is what you've studied some years back in 8th, 9th and 10th. Therefore, I can say this. It's time to consolidate and execute. I'll first give you a broad game plan, a general game plan, and then this game plan would be nothing without a good attempt strategy. The game plan will give you confidence. The attempt strategy is going to give you great execution. That is why couple them both. You will see how you can make an impact with whatever you know. That's that. Again, game plan is very simple. 5 points about it. Please go ahead and reattempt your previous mocks. आपने चाहे 4 mock लिखे हैं, 5 mock लिखे हैं, does not matter. A lot of times it happens, and it would be happening with you, that sir, quant में मैंने actually mock में तो मैंने 5 क्वेश्चन ही करे, बट जब मैं एनालिसिस करने आई तो मैंने देखा अरे मैं तो 5 और मतलब आई कुड हैव डन सर, वैसे तो क्वांट हो जाएगी, अरे नहीं हो जाएगी ऐसे क्वांट। वो जो तुम्हें 5 क्वेश्चन एडिशनल फील हुए कि मैं कर लेती क्वांट में, क्या आज एक हफ्ते के बाद तुम वो कर सकती हो या कर सकते हो? नहीं कर सकते तो प्लीज डोंट से दैट। यू हैव टू चेक इट एज अ लिटमस टेस्ट दैट whatever questions I've already solved, be it inside the mock or outside the mock in terms of practice, I should be able to solve them again even if I'm seeing them 2 weeks later. Check that. That will be an eye opener, and you will realize that okay, even if I were to just consolidate, which is my second point, 80-20, which is the Pareto's principle, it has to apply. By you are planning to become future business leaders, why can't you apply this here? 80% of your prep and your time now has to be consolidation. To the extent, please resolve the questions you have solved, internalize it. That is going to give you so much confidence that you will walk in with your that you will walk into your exam thinking कि ठीक है, अगर मैंने सिर्फ परसेंटेजेस भी करा है, सपोज दैट्स ऑब्वियसली अ वेरी स्मॉलर एग्जांपल कि परसेंटेजेस से कहाँ कैट क्लियर हो रहा है, बट ठीक है, अगर मैंने सिर्फ अरिथमेटिक भी अच्छे से करा है, मैंने अरिथमेटिक भी ऐसे करा है कि वो मुझे याद है, उस किस्म के अगर सवाल आ गए, अगर 6-7 सवाल मैं निकाल के ले जाऊंगा, खत्म। उसके साथ साथ अगर आपने अरिथमेटिक और एल्जेब्रा करा हुआ तो और भी अच्छा, दैट्स दैट। प्लीज द थर्ड पॉइंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, प्लीज मैच योर टाइमिंग्स, योर mock timings with your actual CAT slot timings. Now you know your CAT slot, so please know it and match it. If your body clock is not aligned, I've had students who wake up till 6 a.m, then sleep at 6 a.m, wake up at like 12 a.m. What's the point? If you're in slot 1, you're dead. You have to be at your peak performance at 9:30. Peak performance. Or if your weakest area is quant, then in the last hour of your CAT slot, you need to be at the peak performance. Again, you have to calculate that अच्छा मेरा weakest section is DILR. Therefore, as per my slot, half the time I have to be at my peak. That's it. Which means at what time should I sleep? Your sleep has to be, it's science. It is bioscience basically. अगर देखा जाए तो that's that. And the third thing is please simulate करो, distractions बहुत होंगे। घर का environment बड़ा अच्छा है, AC चला के, फैन चला के, शांति करके, डोर लॉक करके कर लिया अपना मॉक, उसमें आ गए स्कोर। Go to somebody else's house, go to a friend's house, go to somebody's office and solve it. Somebody's office, I don't know, like your friend's office, go to a co-working space. Easiest, take a day pass at rupees 500 and go there and just solve that mock there. You would feel different. you would feel very real cat experience वहाँ पे होगा. That's one thing. And obviously the last thing I must remind you, execution is greater than new learning, which brings me to the point of attempt strategy. भाई ये देख लेना, because इसमें सारा है खेल, उसके आगे मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ कहने को नहीं है. I'll not unnecessarily make a long video for the sake of it. It's a very simple thing. I've said this in multiple videos of mine. Okay, first things first, I would want to speak something like this. VRC में अगर है issue है, previous question solve करिए. And one of my first tips, please watch a guru solve videos. There are so many great YouTube channels and educators who post marathon question solving videos. 3 घंटे, 5 घंटे, 6 घंटे. They are great educators doing great service. So while some educators are really wasting your time by only doing life after this IAS versus MBA, उनका साल दर साल का आप देखोगे वो वही reuse repeat rehash करके वो मतलब जी रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं. Some educators are brilliant, such great service. Because of them the entire cat prep industry is down in the trash, because वहाँ पे सब free दे दिया उन्होंने. मैं सही बता रहा हूँ. These are very good people helping you. I will link some of these videos. Watch a guru solve your quant questions, a guru solve your DILR sets, watch a guru solve VARC KRCs and the VA, and then once you watch them solve it, pause the video, solve that question again. It will internalize. Please write this keyword down in the comments also. Internalize करने हैं तुम्हें questions. That's that. Attempt strategy is very simple. If I were to come to VARC, you know this already. Your 4 RCs need to get done in 30 minutes. You need to aim for that. You have to attempt all questions in VARC. You are going nowhere in VRC if you're not aiming to attempt all. Please aim to attempt 24. You end up at 18 or 19 or 20 or 21, that's a different story. If you're not allocating the time accordingly, you're dead. You're almost dead. Again, that's why I said somebody जिसकी खुद की strategy काम आ रही है, अगर अभी तक जो भी आ रही है आपके नंबर आ रहे हैं मत देखिए. अगर नहीं नंबर आ रहे ये लगाइए, नंबर आने के chances बढ़ जाएंगे significantly, because that is how it works. Again, I might want to even explain this a bit. In VRC, your accuracy is not controlled. It might fluctuate. Even the best of us, VRC accuracy control नहीं होती. Attempt control हो सकते हैं. That is why this is important. And also, please start with RCs. Golden, Mool, Mantra. That will in itself increase your scores. Don't waste your time in VA at the start. VA, give it respectable 10 to 12 minutes at the end. Not more than that. In DILR, you have to aim for 3 sets. 2 must do set. 1 can do set. Identify that. Again, aim for 3 set. You might end up at 1 set for all you know. Depends on how is that thing and how strong you are in it or not. But you have to aim for 3 sets somewhere. Again, I've said this already. Scan first and make a 10-minute rule. If a DILR set is not getting solved in 10 minutes, अगर एक सवाल भी नहीं हो रहा है, please break that situationship with that set right there. Move on to the next set. That's it. If you don't practice this in your mocks, you will never be able to break this mold in your real cat. अगर आप ये activity of completely detaching yourself from the set अगर ये mock में practice नहीं करेंगे, आप cat में detach नहीं कर पाएंगे. And trust me, it is very painful when you have spent 30 minutes on one set and you come back and you realize कि अगला set तो काफी आसान था. उससे बेहतर ये है 10 मिनट मैंने हर set को दिया और कोई नहीं बना, फिर भी आप satisfied वापस आओगे. I'm serious. मैंने सारे set देखे, मेरी थी नहीं औकात इस पेपर की. Instead of मैंने आधा घंटा यार एक सेट को दे दिया यार, बना ही नहीं. मैं बता रहा हूँ, इट्स मच मोर पेनफुल. Quant is a very simple thing. Please apply round 1, round 2, round 3 strategy. So many videos of mine, they talk about this. Because why? You have to reduce the paper to round 1 and round 2. Hello, this video is for somebody who's not doing well. आपके लिए वो पूरे 20-22 क्वेश्चन नहीं है पेपर क्वांट का. आपको पहले 5 मिनट भी अगर लगते हैं, आपको पेपर स्कैन करना है और देखना है. ओके, R1 में मेरे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर्स है वो है 5, 8, 12, 14. वहां पे आ गए 6 क्वेश्चन और आपके इसमें आ गए R2 में मान लीजिए 4 क्वेश्चंस. वो 10 क्वेश्चन अब आपका पेपर है पूरा. इट्स नॉट 6 + 4. आई एम सेइंग इट कुड बी फॉर यू, इट कुड बी 15 + 3, इट कुड बी 15 + 8, व्हाटएवर इज दैट नंबर. रिड्यूस द पेपर कि अब मैंने जो रिमेनिंग है क्वेश्चन मैंने वो देखने भी नहीं है, बिकॉज मेरी इतनी ही हैसियत है उस पेपर की, मैं करके आऊंगा उतने ही. दैट इज इट. How does that help you? That helps you budget your time smartly. अब वो स्ट्रेस नहीं है. पहला सवाल अगर PNC का आ गया और वो आपसे नहीं हो रहा सॉल्व, आपकी नहीं है, आपको क्यों टाइम लगाना है उसमें यार. और उसमें 8-10 होंगे सवाल जो आपको 95 परसेंटाइल क्रॉस करवा देंगे. क्यों करना है आपको. दिस वर्क फॉर मी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. मैं तो क्वांट में बर्बाद था. मेरा स्कोर कार्ड में डाल दूंगा यहाँ पे स्क्रीन पे, या फिर स्क्रीन पे नहीं आया तो यू कैन सी इट इन द दिस थिंग डिस्क्रिप्शन. दैट्स दैट. अगेन, माय क्लोजिंग मैसेज टू यू ऑल इज दैट प्लीज यू आर नॉट बिहाइंड. यू आर 15 days away from something great. Anything could happen. लेकिन डोंट स्टडी हार्डर, एग्जीक्यूट स्मार्टर। ऑल्सो आई मस्ट रिमाइंड यू वन मोर थिंग, भैया एनमैट है, अगर शेड्यूल करा है उसके मॉक्स इमीडिएटली आफ्टर कैट देने स्टार्ट करना, अभी मत करना, कोई फायदा नहीं, अभी फोकस ऑन कैट। स्नैप है, 3 अटेम्प्ट मिलते हैं, मॉक्स देने हैं। देखो कोई भी, ये दोनों एग्जाम्स जो है एनमैट और स्नैप, दोनों के में मत जाना until and unless you have appeared for at least 2 to 3 mocks for each. ZAT में मत जाना unless and until you have appeared for 5 mocks for ZAT. As simple as that. How do you plan that? I'll be making videos on that. Subscribe to the channel. There is a reason why I always say subscribe, because there is a, ये सब कुछ ज्ञान एक फ्लो में है, एक वीडियो में ये पूरा ज्ञान नहीं है, ये आगे भी आएगा अलग अलग उसका. So you have to, it's a journey you are on, and let me help you with that. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.